learning trigonometry and finding sides of a triangle with a given angle and side. To begin, trigonometry only applies to right triangles. And the first step in solving for sides of a right triangle using trig is to understand the relation of the sides to the given angle. For example, if the angle is placed here, then this side is adjacent the angle and this side is opposite the angle, and this will always remain the hypotenuse. Three important terms involving trigonometry are sine, cosine, and tangent, and these terms are used in the relation to the given angle. So the sine of the angle is the opposite side over the hypotenuse side, the cosine of the angle is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side, and the tangent of the angle is the opposite side over the adjacent side. A good way to remember this is by using the acronym SOHCAHTOA. Now for a sample problem. Find x and y if a given side is 35 and a given angle is 27 degrees. First we should label each side, which I have already done. This is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So to solve for x and y, I think the best option for x would be to use cosine, since we already know that the hypotenuse is 35, and the best option for y is to use sine. We determined to use cosine to solve for x and sine to solve for y. Remembering the acronym SOHCAHTOA, we know we must use the adjacent side and hypotenuse for cosine, which if we look back at the problem we know is going to be x and 35. And for sine we know we must use the opposite side in the hypotenuse, and looking back at the problem we know that's going to be y and 35. So if you plug those into your calculator, you will get x to equal 31 and y to equal 16.